Well, it's the place here in Ocean City that's been making memories for hundreds of families here in Delmarva every summer season. This is my first time here at Jolly Roger. I'm ready for the full Jolly Roger experience. I think I see my friend Dawn Dillon.
What are you doing?
What's up, Dawn?
We have 35 acres to see. Let's go.
All right, come on. And I'm here with my friend Dawn Dillon. She is here with the marketing team here at Jolly Roger here in Ocean City, Maryland. Dawn, it's been a while since I've seen you. I think the last time I saw you was Jolly Roger's world famous Black Friday sale.
That's right, James. Black Friday was so much fun. We had a wonderful time, and now it's sunshine and blue skies. Check out this water park.
Yes.
Behind me.
Oh my goodness, this is so
Yes.
much fun. And I noticed you and your team have done a lot of revamps over the wintertime to get this thing ready in time for summer.
Yes, I want to give a special shout out to our team. They work tremendously hard all season in the off season, getting it ready just for you, Delmarva. All this is just for you. Check out that fresh paint. We go through gallons of paint, and there's some new things out here too. All of our tiki huts are going to be different. We took out the sand, and we've got some selfie stations here for you guys to check out. It is going to be a fabulous season, and we can't wait to see you guys.
Oh my goodness, yes it is. Why else do you think Jolly Roger is the perfect place to spend summertime here in Ocean City?
Well, in my opinion, we work hard. We must play hard. And that's what we're going to do today, James. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm ready for this. But before we do that, I got to ask you about groups, because groups are a big thing that you guys do. And there's also some perks if you bring a number of your friends and family here, maybe even coworkers, to Jolly Roger, right?
That's right. If you guys have 25 or more people, we do birthday parties under our tiki huts. We also have a pavilion in the back behind our amusement park. You guys can bring in your own food and beverages, no glass or alcohol permitted, and we can make that all happen for you. So reward your coworkers, come on out. It's time to have some fun, Delmarva.
Oh,
it is summertime.
It's summertime here on Delmarva. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Dawn, what is your favorite ride or favorite part of Jolly Roger? Because you said this place is huge, right?
Yes, this place is huge. 35 acres, and we're going to cover it all today. Every single bit of it.
Every single bit.
Yes.
I say we have some fun, Dawn, Jolly Roger style. What do you say?
Jolly Roger style, are you ready? Because without Jolly Roger,
it's just another day at the beach, right? All right, come on, let's go. Fun, Dawn!
We have 35 acres to see. Let's go!
Dawn, I challenge you to a race.
Here. Okay. Loser pays for ice cream.
You got a deal. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Dawn, I couldn't think of a better ending to a day here at Jolly Roger.
It's so much fun.
A little ice cream, right?
That's right.
So cheers. I'm going to send you guys back in the studio.
Oh, wow.
Perfect day for that.
No kidding. You know, we talk about how much fun we have eating stuff, but that was a great opportunity to get out there and play.
My favorite part of Jolly Roger, the water park, is the lazy river. Just put me on a raft and just leave me be. And Dawn tells us that in addition to Speed World and Splash Mountain, Jolly Roger also has a large selection of rides at 30th Street and at the pier, including the Looping Star, the Kraken, Slingshot, and iconic Giant Wheel.
And don't forget, they have mini golf too. Jolly Roger offers 2 miniature golf courses, Jungle Golf and Treasure Golf, for the entire family to enjoy. For a full list of attractions and to purchase your passes today, visit our website and click on What's Happening Today.